Hello, today I come to learn how to use three U2s to set a ringtone on an iPhone. So you first open your three U2s and then so you can see it's showing all the details on the phone. So select ringtone. So we click on make ringtone and then now we are going to select the music you want to use for your ringtone. So you make sure you downloaded the music you want to use for your ringtone. So you select from PC. So the song I'm using is this, and I select it.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for?
Start playing.
You ready?
So you select. So now you select the part you want it to be your ringtone. It's being your starting. This is going to be your starting point. And the next one is going to be your ending point. So you can select the point or the part of the music you want to use for your ringtone. So
Uh, I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit.
okay, so let's use this one. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to generate ringtone and you import into your device. This may take few seconds. Okay, so it has been imported onto our device. So that is all. So the next thing you do is you go onto your iPhone, you go to settings, you check your sound and go to ringtone and you see the music you've imported in the list of your ringtones and you select it as your ringtone. That is all. Thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful.